Now, if you're looking to buy a 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex in Orchid, now this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex, it's one I would recommend for you. Now, this property is sitting on 190 square meters. It has a governor's consent as the title, and the building approval, it's available. It comes with a fully fitted kitchen, a well spacious bedroom, and spacious living room. So guys, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video with a loved one. And remember, my name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties, and you know how we normally do it. I'm going to flip this camera and I will show you the details about this property. So when I'm done with this tour, you're going to call the number that is showing on your screen and get one for yourself. Come with me, guys. Let's start this property together. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember I said I'm going to flip the camera and I will show you the property. Actually, it's a 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. All 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex. And we're going to be touring this property. So before I go in, I need to show you the environment of this property. This property is located at Orchid Lekki Lagos. Okay, so let me show you the compound before I go inside the building proper. Okay, so this is a car park that can take up to 2 or 3 cars, 2 SUV and 1 saloon car. And also, let me go around the compound space and show you the exterior of this property before I go inside. Okay. Okay, so you have this compound space. Just check out the space between the main building and the fence. You have enough walkway to walk right past, and also this property comes with a boys quarter. Okay, so let me see if it's open. Oh, it's not open, it's closed, but that is the boys quarter. Okay, so you have scaffolding right here that you have your tank that supplies water to this property. They are really doing painting so on the scaffolding, so let me just quickly pass through. All right, so you have your tap over here, and this place leads you back into the kitchen. So let me go around. Okay, so you have this tap over here. If you want to wash your car, it's easier for you to connect a pipe right here, and you have water being supplied to you and you wash your car. Okay, so you have this glass facade over here and this lovely fancy light. See, check out lighting. I have a CCTV camera over there. Okay, so stepping in, you're greeted with this big gigantic door that comes with a smart lock. So it's a smart lock. So this is the living room space. So you have this flute panel over here. On it, you have your fancy light. This is your TV console. The TV shelf. You have your POP light, inbuilt speaker, star lights. You have this lovely LED light and a chandelier. Okay, so over here you have a visitor's toilet. Visitor's toilet. And you have your controls. It's for your video system, video security system. You can check who's at the door via the screen, and these are your controls. And you have this lovely LED light that beautifies this wall. Then over here you have your guest room. Remember, it's a 4 bedroom. You have 1 room downstairs, 3 rooms upstairs. So this is your guest room. Comes with your inbuilt speaker, lovely POP walk, nice LED lighting, and all rooms are ensuite. So this is your bathroom for your guest room. You have your water heater over here, a shower cubicle, and a shower head. You have your washing hands basin and your toilet. You have a window over here. Okay, let's head over to the kitchen. Now, this is your fully fitted kitchen that comes with lots of cabinets. You have your washing machine. This side, you have your controls, light switches. You have your sink, your double sink. You have your cabinets, and you have your kitchen island that comes with a sink. Okay, so you have your double volume refrigerator. Over here, you have your microwave, your oven, and lots of cabinets. And over here, you have your heat extractor and your gas burner. So you have your cabinets over here. You have your pantry this side, and lovely light. This lovely chandelier light right here. And also your inbuilt speaker. And you have the water heater. This water heater supplies the kitchen. So you see how beautiful this kitchen is? Very beautiful. Okay, so I'm done with this ground floor. Let's head upstairs where we have our master's bed, our madam's room, and our kids' bedroom. Okay. So the lights, the staircase has a motion sensor light. See, it's come on. It came on the moment I stepped on it. So lovely LED lights, beautiful flute panel design. Beautifies the staircase. All right. So this right here is your family lounge. It's lovely chandelier lights. You have your TV console here, together with your flute panel design. Lovely. And this is room 1. Come with your POP, lovely POP, inbuilt speaker, LED lights. You have 2 windows over here, window 1 and window 2. And the rooms are all ensuite. So you have your bathroom over here, your shower cubicle, wash your hand basin, toilet, and also I have your water heater over here. Okay, so let's head over to room 2. This is room 2. Same design, same features. Lovely LED light, inbuilt speaker, You have your window by this side to give you natural light and ventilation, and also you have your windows by this side. So this is your wardrobe, and you have your bathroom by this side. It's water heater, beautiful marble design. Okay, so let's head over to the master's bedroom. So the master's bedroom, it's this side. So this is your master's bed. So your master's bed, you have a balcony, gives you access. You can see the environment. Comes with this lovely TV console. Have your closet by this side. Closet. Then this is your master's bathroom. So you have a bathtub, lovely modern bathtub. Have your toilet. You have your shower cubicle by this side. It's a overhead shower head. Lovely light, water heater. Okay, so this house is in the market for 240 million naira, sitting on 190 square meters, has a governor's consent as a title. The building approval is ready. The house is pay and back in. No, very beautiful, lovely aesthetics, contemporary designs. Okay, so call the number that is showing on your screen, and I'll bring you here for inspection, and hopefully you can seal the deal. So till I come your way next time, thank you and God bless you.